There's about 50 tent sites on site. We have pancakes and sausage for breakfast. We got onions, we got lettuce, we got tomatoes, hamburger buns and tortillas. I've been enjoying drinking just straight black coffee, nothing in it. There's no water, there's no gas, there's no electric, there's no sewage. There we go. That's our patty melt right there. Hey, Quill. Hey, buddy. Oh, that's my boy. That's my good boy. Hey everybody, I think I owe you a little bit of an explanation. I'm at work right now and I can bring my dog to work with me, and Quill just is the best dog ever. He just hangs out with me here at Wander Camp in the Grand Canyon. There we go. So right behind me here is the food truck that I work in. I don't only just work in this food truck at Wander Camp, but I also do the hosting, which is located in that little trailer right there. I also do housekeeping for these tents. This is part of our operation right here. There's about 50 tent sites on site. There's a bathroom here, and then down there is the maintenance and the housekeeping stuff. So I do all the roles. I primarily work in the food truck, but I also do hosting, housekeeping, and maintenance. So this is a job I took about 6 weeks ago. I've just been really trying to catch up on bills, trying to catch up on life in general, and this place was pretty great. It's only 10 minutes from my property, so it's really not too bad. It takes me about a half an hour to get here, but it's really not too bad, and I can bring Quill with me, so it is super, super awesome. If I couldn't bring Quill with me, I really couldn't work a job quite like this, but let me show you a little bit inside of the food truck, to show you a little bit behind the scenes real quick. I don't know if it's okay, but we're gonna do it. So this is the front of the food truck. The menu is very simple. We have pancakes and sausage for breakfast, or a breakfast burrito. We also have, for dinner, we have a hamburger or a cheeseburger. We have a patty melt. We have a pineapple burger. We have a vegetarian burger, and we have a cheese quesadilla. Then we also have some other little snacks, but let me take you inside real quick. What do you think of that paint job, huh? Ooh. It's so funny how Arizona is represented by these saguaro cactus, and we don't even have any out here. But this is what it looks like inside. Just a little food trailer, a little food truck. We got a grill over here. We got a coffee machine. We got sodas, stuff like that. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Hold on, I got a customer, I got a guest here. So I had a few comments in my short video that I posted about ripping down a tent that was being decommissioned, and I realized that nobody has any idea of what I'm doing right now. So yes, I am at work right now, but that day I was working maintenance, and when one of our tents becomes too old, too brittle, and just not functional, we rip those tents apart and we take all the parts and we put those aside so we can rebuild other tents and keep all the tents working. But yeah, this is a cool job. It's a seasonal job. This is gonna be over in November, but I really like this company and I really like everybody that I work with. Everybody's super chill. I'm making friends here, and it's pretty cool to get like a little bit of socialization away from like what I've been used to for the last, I don't know, 9 years. I went on the road full time in 2017, and this is the first, I hate to say real job, because I did work for Stratton Motorsports off and on a little bit every time I went back to Orlando, so that was a real job too. I was learning how to rebuild vintage Volkswagens and Porsches, so that was pretty cool. But this is just like more of a regular, that was like an apprenticeship. This is more of like a regular, I applied for a job, I got a job, I'm getting paid, I have taxes being paid, all of those kind of things. It's been a while. So I just flipped on the grill. I'm gonna start setting things up and getting this kitchen ready for service for tonight. You wanna hang out with me while I work? It'd be kind of fun. I thought maybe I should tell you a little bit about this place, Wander Camp. Wander Camp Grand Canyon is one of 4 locations. We have locations outside of a few national parks around the country. So we have one here at the south rim of the Grand Canyon. We have one in Yellowstone, which is located in Idaho. It's on the western side of Yellowstone. We also have the Olympic location, which is in Washington, I believe. Is that right? Washington? Yeah. Anyways, and then we also have Bryce Canyon, which is located in Utah, I believe. We have 4 locations. These are glamping resorts. We use Bell tents for the guests to stay in. They're outfitted pretty nicely. There's a lot of reviews online about how nice our beds are. You can get a king size bed or a twin size bed or any of those combinations. You can get 3 twins. That's pretty much how this operation works. I got the grill lit. What do I gotta do? I might have to chop up a few vegetables. Let me look in the fridge and see what we got here. So tonight we got onions, we got lettuce, we got tomatoes. So that's probably about all that I'm gonna need for tonight. We don't do a whole lot of business. This isn't like a busy downtown food truck with all the fancy schmancy stuff. This is pretty much set up just so that we can take care of our guests here. There's really no place to go get food unless you want to drive 30-40 minutes. It's really great to have this set up for the guests. They can stay right here. They can get something to eat. They don't have to go anywhere. They can wake up. They can have breakfast here. They can get coffee here and don't have to go anywhere off-site to get something to eat. I'll show you around outside in just a moment, but over here on the side of the food truck, we have a big picnic area and fire pits for the guests and all that kind of jazz. I gotta get my hamburger buns and my tortillas out. There we go. Hamburger buns and tortillas. I've got a few things to put out here on the table for the guests to use, like napkins and forks and knives and mayonnaise packets. Oh, and the other thing that goes out on the table is ketchup, mustard, barbecue sauce. We've been making iced coffee out of the coffee that's left over because we have a lot of it sometimes. So I've been enjoying drinking just straight black coffee, nothing in it. Something I'm not good at. I've never been able to do this in my life before, but black coffee. It's kind of bitter. Let me take you outside and show you the picnic area just so you can see kind of what things look like out here. So the food truck is right there. And over here is our picnic area. We have some nice string lights above and picnic tables. We have a grill people can cook their own food on. And around the edge are fire pits. I don't know if you can see, but we have fire pits all the way around the edge. And one thing I really absolutely love about this job is that I'm able to watch the sunset every single night for the most part. Usually I'm not busy at that time. Quill can just hang out here. He's off the leash. He can go anywhere he wants. And it is just wonderful. Bubba, what are you doing in there? What are you doing? You just drinking water, buddy? Oh, why do you look so dusty, bud? You look like a dusty boy. We have buckets of water for people to put their fires out because we can't have a fire get out of control or anything. But let me just walk out here and show you a little view of what you can see from here. So there's a whole bunch of tents over there. And then over here, there's a whole bunch more. And then we have tents all throughout. That's our bathroom facility. There's 4 bathrooms and 4 showers. Plus there's a handicap accessible bathroom over on the other side of camp. One thing that's pretty neat about this camp is that it's completely off-grid. We have no utilities of any kind. There's no water, there's no gas, there's no electric, there's no sewage. We take care of all that stuff on our own. And yeah, even the food truck's even running an air conditioner. The food truck runs on a generator back here, and you can probably hear it now. But yeah, we turn this off at night. Around 10 o'clock, we turn that off so it's nice and quiet for the guests. Our fridges run on propane. We have water tanks, we have sewage tanks, we have all those things that get filled and pumped out all by services that are local that come out here and take care of those things. There we go, we're throwing down a patty melt right now in the kitchen, making a patty melt. Oh yeah, we got the buns, we got the chips. I want one of those patty melts right now. Oh, I'm fogging up the camera here. Oh yeah. Patty melt comes with grilled onions and American cheese, but this one's getting lettuce, tomato, and pickle as well. So that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you for joining me at work today. If you guys are ever near the Grand Canyon, hit me up on social media. I am breadtrucker on everything. You can hit me up and come visit me here at work, and I'll make a burger just for you. And I make a pretty damn fine burger, I must say. I don't know if you guys know this about me or not, but I have about, I don't know, at least 20 years of food and beverage and restaurant experience. I've been working in restaurants in Orlando, Florida, pretty much my entire life. So I know how to cook it up. Cook it up, cook it up, cook it up. There we go. That's our patty melt right there. Ooh, doesn't it look good? Heck yeah. And we just gotta go for the pickles. We just started carrying pickles recently. I'm excited. It's a good addition to a burger. So I gotta start closing this kitchen down. Thank you for joining me on this video. Come see me here at Grand Canyon Wander Camp, Glamping, Stargazing Resort here about 30 minutes away from the south rim of the Grand Canyon. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon, right down the road. Peace out.